Hello, my name is Will Thompson. I'm the United States Attorney for the Southern District of West Virginia. We're here to celebrate a glorious day, and that day being the successful completion and graduation of 3 people from our alternative treatment court. I would first like to recognize Judge Abelhausen, who actually oversees our treatment court, and I would also like all the other judges in our district to know how much we appreciate the fact they allow this program not only to exist, but to thrive. We have 3 graduates to recognize today. The first is Richard Bowen. I'd first like to talk about Mr. Bowen is that he is part of what is called our smoke and mirrors case, which was the largest methamphetamine seizure in state's history, and it shows a good example of just how large and breadth of a drug operation that was. We had people who were bringing large amounts of this poison in from our southern border, and then we had people like Mr. Bowen who were the end users of this. We decided to take a chance with him, and through some initial early help with Judge Abelhausen getting through some rough moments, he was able to successfully complete the program, which I think he should be commended for. I'd next like to turn to Bradley Flowers. Bradley Flowers holds a special place in my heart. I overruled the AUSA who was assigned to the case, who initially declined Mr. Flowers' participation in this program. I felt he was worth taking a chance on. He was our first Track 2 participant. That required him to go through 24 months of this program, requiring him to show up for court hearings on a monthly basis, to keep in close contact with his probation officers, and do all the other important requirements. Fortunately, Mr. Flowers proved me to be correct by graduating today, and for that, I'm very proud of Mr. Flowers. And the final person I'd like to talk about is Joseph Harper. Joseph Harper is a prime example of what makes these problem-solving courts work. These courts give families their family members back. It gives parents their children back. It gives children their parents back. In this case, Mr. Harper was able to reestablish a relationship with his teenage daughter, something that had suffered largely because of some issues he had. The fact that he now knows how much it costs to go out and buy a formal dress for a dance, I think speaks volumes of Mr. Harper's recovery, and also talks about his relationship with his daughter. I have 3 daughters of my own. I certainly understand how much prom dresses and homecoming dances cost. I'm glad Mr. Harper gets to bear that pain as well. I'd like to commend once again all 3 of the graduates, all of the participants that work in the alternative treatment court. This is all something that's done on a volunteer basis. We have participants obviously from the courts, from the Probation Office, from the Federal Public Defender, and from my office. The work and effort they put in this makes this program successful, and they all deserve recognition today. Thank you very much.